Infinite scroll, the digital vicious cycle. Let's be honest, scrolling is the digital version of falling into a black hole. One meme leads to another, and suddenly you're watching a 47-minute video about why penguins are secretly government spies. Your body's here, but your brain is on a beach in conspiracy land. Infinite scroll isn't just a feature, it's a trap. A beautifully coded, highly addictive trap. And unless you have something, or someone, that slaps your digital wrist, you'll be stuck in that loop forever. That's where anti-scroll glasses comes in, like a sarcastic superhero with Wi-Fi. First contact with the glasses, dude, that's enough. The moment you wear the glasses, it's like your mom's judgmental stare becomes wearable tech. You scroll and boom, scroll limit reached, go outside. The sass level is chef's kiss. Honestly, it doesn't just monitor behavior, it roasts you in 2 languages. You think it's just some harmless gadget, until it starts counting how many times you've opened TikTok in 1 hour. Suddenly you're like, wait, am I the problem? And the glasses? They just blink a red light that basically says, yes, yes you are. Most glasses feel like a gamer. There's also the TikTok detox mode. It doesn't just tell you to stop, it slowly dims your screen until you're left staring at your reflection, contemplating every life choice that led you here. It's beautifully dramatic, like a cinematic intervention with extra LED. And don't even get me started on drama queen mode. Yes, it's real. If you scroll while eating, lying down, and crying all at once, the glasses literally play sad violin music and turn grayscale. It's giving French art film meets iPhone addiction. TikTok detox, brightness will save you. Imagine scrolling, then your screen gently fades, and all you see is your own reflection like, bro, why are you still here? It's haunting. Like a mini horror movie starring your addiction. Oscar-worthy, honestly. The brightness fades and the silence hits harder than your dad's disapproval. Suddenly, you're holding a phone but with no purpose. The glasses just whisper, it's time to go outside, buddy. And somehow, you listen. Return to real life. Look at the sky for a change. After a while, the glasses don't just block, they guide. Go for a walk, they suggest. Call your mom, she misses you. Suddenly, you're outside, birds are chirping, and you're like, wait, is this serotonin? Yes. Yes, it is. One time, a guy followed the glasses' suggestion to explore your surroundings and ended up discovering a local bakery that changed his life. Bread over threads, people. Real life tastes better than Instagram filters. Technology that charges on guilt. Self-charging through guilt? That's the most passive-aggressive feature I've ever heard of, and I love it. It's like your anxiety finally has a purpose. Powering wearable tech. The more shame, the more charge. Genius. So next time you skip that 15-minute scroll break and choose to meditate instead, boom, your glasses light up like a Christmas tree. And you feel oddly proud, like you just won against the algorithm. Wrap up and call to action. Stop scrolling, start living. This isn't just a gadget. It's a movement. A tiny rebellion against doom scrolling. One blink at a time. It doesn't hate social media. It just wants you to look up sometimes and notice you have a cat, or a family, or both. So, if you've ever found yourself trapped in the scroll spiral, maybe it's time. Time to level up. Time to get the glasses. Time to touch some grass. Anti-scroll glasses. Because your thumb deserves a vacation too. Outro. If you liked the video, smash that like button, confess in the comments how many hours you've been scrolling, and don't forget to share. This pair of glasses might just save someone else.